We're Kristen, Sia, Kai, and Atlas, and we live full-time in our 1976 vintage Airstream we completely gutted and renovated not once, but twice. We're currently on a 6,000-kilometer road trip across the United States, hitting up some of the best family RV resorts along the way, and of course, spontaneously adventuring. We just spent a couple of weeks in Granby, Colorado, hiking in Rocky Mountain National Park and enjoying all the amenities at River Run RV Resort. We even explored some of their vacation homes like Conestoga wagons, cabins, and even Airstreams. We also failed to share this awesome coffee joint in our last video, and we just couldn't do you like that. You deserve to know where the good coffee is at. You are welcome in advance. One of our favorite stops here in Granby has been Simple Coffee Co. We are coffee lovers, we are coffee snobs, so when I recommend a cafe, you know it's gonna be good. This place is really good. They make their own simple syrups, and typically I don't like sugar or any type of sweet in my coffee. I just like a plant-based milk and good quality coffee. But they make a lavender honey syrup here, and it is so good. It's not sweet at all, and it's not overpowering with the floral. They are a plastic-free cafe, which means you have to bring your own reusable cup. They also have glass like mason jars that they can give to you. Yeah, enjoy your delicious coffee. Now it's time to hit the road again. We're leaving Colorado and heading to Utah, where we'll be spending a week on Moab. Does this not look like another planet to you, though? Seriously.
Woo! We made it. Unbelievable. So beautiful. So beautiful. Like one of the most beautiful parts of the world, of our planet, right here. It does look like some forest fires have come through here, because like you see big green trees, and then you see like all these burnt like ash trees.
The sun is peeking out behind the mountains, and just the colors, the different shades of brown and greens and blacks, and just how magnificent these mountains are.
There's not a right word.
There isn't. I'm trying.
Magnificent.
And I can't even look at you guys in the camera because I'm just so captivated by what's around us right now. It feels so grand and peaceful and just, yeah, stunning. Morning, sunshine.
Morning.
Have you taken a look outside?
I have, and it's spectacular. Like, we are right here. Like, the national park is on our doorstep.
Excuse me. Faucet. This is our home for the next 10 days. A Sun RV resort in Moab, surrounded by beauty with everything we could possibly need.
We got in late last night, so we actually didn't see any of the scenery. Everything was dark. So it's actually nice to wake up and actually see where you are. Get a little surprise in the morning. So I opened my eyes, cracked open the blind, and could see just beauty. I came to Utah 3 years ago with my dad. We drove through here, and we were only here for like a night or two. And I fell in love right away with the landscape, scenery, like just the color, the red mountain. Oh, it's just spectacular here. It's really like living in a Western or visiting Mars or another planet. It's incredible. And we have 10 days here. Whoa, that's a lot of time to explore. Arches National Park is literally at our doorstep, like right there. I could walk to the entrance. This is exciting.
The city center is only a 10-minute drive from the RV resort and has great dining options, plenty of shops, and one restaurant we personally cannot get enough of. Yes. Okay, so first day in Moab, and we just came to town, and we were told to come to 98 Center for really good vegan, gluten-free options. I got a Vietnamese coffee, but a vegan version, so it's got like coconut, I think it's coconut condensed milk. It's so good, whatever it is. It's like 38 degrees today, so it's good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is a vegan portobello Philly cheesesteak.
I got the vegan nachos. It's more like a salad. It's so good. Cilantro, kimchi, mushrooms, tofu, carrots, radish. Amazing. It's just packed with yumminess. Love all the mushrooms.
Did you have more tomatoes?
You ate all my tomatoes?
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't worry. She'll get some more for you.
Okay. Thank you. Today is my birthday, and Kristen got me a gift of skydiving, and that's where I am right now at Moab Skydive, and I'm going to be jumping out of a plane at probably 10,000 feet over Arches National Park. And Arches National Park is one of the most beautiful places on Earth, and I'm going to get to see it from a bird's eye view and then float down towards the ground. And I don't normally get nervous. I'm not afraid of heights. I'm not afraid of spiders. I'm not afraid of snakes. I don't feel that fear that often. But jumping out of a plane is not natural for a human.
Yeah, nice. Welcome back, man.
Holy smokes, I did it.
You did it, man. Nice job out there.
Wow, what a perspective.
All right, good stuff, huh?
Oh, queasy. That was a thrill. That was exciting. My heart's pumping. I'm
Yeah, man.
sweating a little bit. I got what I wanted out of this.
All right, man.
Feel the fear.
Yeah.
Whew, holy, that was a thrill. That was like the biggest thrill you can experience. Jumping out of a plane while looking at this like expansive landscape of crevices and mountains and hills and oh wow, like desert. It was just spectacular. I definitely was a little nervous jumping out of the door of the airplane. Yeah, for sure. And when we pulled the chute, it gets quiet because when at the beginning it's very windy, it's very noisy. There's wind like rushing past your ear. It's almost even hard to breathe because the wind is moving so fast. You have to breathe through your nose. I'm still feeling some of like the after effects of like shock. Like if you've ever been, you know, in a car accident or a fight or something and you get that adrenaline pumping, like your body goes into like a bit of a shock because it thinks it's about to get seriously hurt. If you guys want a thrill, I don't see a bigger thrill in life than jumping out of an airplane.
Kai and I are at Moab Giants today, which is a dinosaur exhibit, and like what better place to have something like this? There's these like giant dinosaurs that are like lifelike sizes, and there is a 10-minute movie about like the evolution of like the earth and dinosaurs and where they came from, how they came to be. And then there's also an aquarium. So it's like more of a 3D aquarium because you're seeing dinosaurs, but the ones that lived under the ocean, what they would have looked like, their environment, and you have these 3D goggles on, so it feels like it's actually real, like you're looking in a real aquarium. Really cool. This is a great place to come with young kids, and I'm also just seeing adults with no kids, so it's kind of for everyone. Kai, do you know the name of this dinosaur? Is it a brontosaurus?
Yeah.
Do you have one at home?
Yeah.